Have you ever lain awake in the quiet darkness, heart heavy with a silent question, am I truly being the partner I want to be? Those nights when doubt creeps in, when every interaction replays in your mind, and you wonder about the delicate threads that connect two hearts. You're not alone in this journey. Relationships aren't just beautiful moments. They're complex landscapes of emotion, requiring courage, vulnerability, and an unwavering commitment to growth. Today we're going to explore something profound, 5 subtle behaviors that can slowly, almost imperceptibly, chip away at the foundation of love. These aren't dramatic explosions of conflict. No, they're quiet earthquakes, small actions that can create chasms between two people who once felt inseparable. Criticism. It's the word that makes most of us tense up, our defenses rising like protective walls. But what if criticism could be a bridge, not a barrier? When your partner shares something that bothers them, do you defensively attack, shut down completely, lash out in anger? Each of these responses whispers the same message: I'm not ready to grow. I'm not willing to listen. Love doesn't mean possession. It doesn't mean control. Constantly checking phones, tracking movements, demanding every single detail of your partner's life. These aren't signs of love. They're manifestations of deep-seated insecurity. True intimacy isn't about knowing everything. It's about respecting boundaries, trusting the space between two individuals. Insecurity is a silent relationship killer. When you constantly put yourself down, you're not just hurting yourself. You're placing an invisible burden on the person who loves you. Continuous self-criticism can drain your partner's emotional reserves, create a cycle of exhausting reassurance. Slowly push away the very person who wants to lift you up. Do this or we're done. 4 words that can shatter trust faster than any argument. Ultimatums aren't communication. They're emotional manipulation dressed in the costume of decisive action. Real love finds solutions together. It doesn't corner, it collaborates. Silence. Not the peaceful silence of understanding, but the cruel silence of emotional punishment. When you shut down, you don't just create distance. You create a void where love struggles to breathe. But here's the beautiful truth. Recognizing these behaviors isn't a sentence. It's an invitation to transformation. Nobody arrives in love perfectly packaged. We are all works in progress, learning, stumbling, rising.